of the bell. Alinin mo si Gamal, half of the bell. Then the head part should be 8 inches. 8 inches. Basta. 8 inches. Head part. Ano mo kung mag-tukol ito, ha? Okay. Head part. 8 inches. Then, roll. Downward. Wow. Then, tuck the head part. Then, make a mitred corner. Mitred corner. M-I-T-E-E-R-E-D. Wow. After the head part on the book. Okay. On the book, you have to finish one side first. The problem with that is the bottom sheet is not strong enough. Pag umikal pasyente, naroba tayo. Alinihin mo yan na to make the bottom sheet strong, first finish the head part. Wow. So, tapos na sa left side, nakamikas na rin. Okay, after the left part, the foot part. Front foot part. Hotel makita pa isa. My third floor there. Oh, by the way, bend from your knees, not from the waist. Then palms down. While tapping. Katulad ka lang, matong papitin ng ulo. Hindi laro may pakita.
Yeah, okay.
Ang sulat na ito, papitin ng ulo.
Ang pasyente.
Much as possible, no wrinkle. Ito ang may wrinkles nila dito. Okay, after finishing the bottom sheet, the rubber sheet. Place the rubber sheet on that center. The center fold should be at the bottom. Okay, the purpose of the rubber sheet is to protect the linens from wetting. Next is the drop sheet. The center fold should be at the bottom also. Go diretso, kasi systematic. 4 inches wider na rin. Okay, the draw sheet and the rubber sheet sabay ang pagtak. Alipos lang wawa natin rubber sheet. Ito ang lalin natin. Next is the top sheet. Okay, place the top sheet on the left part. The center pole, the bottom sheet, top sheet, and the blanket, the center pole should be apart on the upper side. Unlike the draw sheet and the upper sheet. Top sheet. Forward motion.
Adik.
Okay, the top sheet, the edge of the top sheet should be at the edge of the bed. Unlike ang bottom sheet na nakakontrol. Obserbahan niyo kung pag spread ko nga rin, makuha ko lang ka rin, pinungan sa tato. Roll. Para doon diretso. Then, ibinabalik ka. Okay, obserbahan niyo yung top sheet. Ang top sheet na balik ka.
Yes, sir.
Because the right side should be always in contact with the patient, not the wrong side. Masulod din ang pasyente na sulod in contact ang right side. Oha.
Yes, sir.
Next, the blanket.
Mahilig ka siya. Mahilig mo nga siya. Blanket siya.
Okay, the blanket, the right side is upward. Tawagan sa television na ito nito. In contact with the right side of the blanket. Then, kung baliktad niya, kalahin mo pinis sa pagsusunod ng logo, baliktad. Diba?
Yes, sir.
Kaya sa kaya ng top sheet, dapat mag-pray ang blanket. Ang blanket. Okay, after that, half the wood part. Sabay. The top sheet and the blanket. Then make my third corner. Then go to the other side. First, the rubber sheet. Then the blanket and draw sheet. Then the top sheet. Blanket.
Daot.
Automatic.
Daot.
Okay, there are two types of unoccupied bed. There's an open bed and there's a closed bed. The closed bed nakaswed leto. An open bed, kapos. So ganito or okay. An kuan, ano sa akin kuan. Next is the pillow.
Pillow sheet.
Okay, if the door is on the left side, no? Right side. Niya TNT yan, at dito nakakarayo ka. Eh, pagsulod para di nakikita, kasi mga Philippines na karuga, ring man na ito, di ba? Mga daan. Diba? Tadong layan, susugat na ito. Mga ito ako, the opening. Wala itong door, baliktad.
Okay.
Okay na?